Hi, it's Kay here, and today I wanted to talk about International Women's Day. Now, you might have noticed I've got purple and I've got purple around the room today, and I did that purposely because purple is a colour of dignity and justice, and women for many years have taken it on to signify dignity and justice, especially around International Women's Day. Now, International Women's Day is happening on the 8th of March, like it does every year. And so this year, I'd love to invite you to my virtual event to celebrate International Women's Day. Now, this is going to be limited, so I'm going to limit the number of people that come so that we have the opportunity to talk to each other, to hear our stories if you would like to share them, and to explore what it means to be a woman in 2023 and how together we can achieve our dreams and goals. So, if that's something you'd like to join, then I'm going to put the link below and I'd love to see you there. Also, if you've got any friends who you think might be interested, please share that with them because I'm really looking forward to this opportunity to actually have some fun and share who we are and what our dreams and goals are, and actually come up with a plan about what to do with them. So it's all on the 8th of March, 9 o'clock Australian Eastern Standard Time. If you can't join us live, then everybody who registers will be able to watch the replay. But joining us live is going to be the best way to do it. So I really hope that you can block out your calendar, 9 a.m. Wednesday, 8th of March, Australian Eastern Standard Time, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments, post below, and let's do this. Bye.